During the day, your body goes through a natural cycle of being awake and asleep, known as the circadian rhythm. This 24-hour cycle is controlled by your internal clock, located in the hypothalamus part of the brain. This clock pays attention to external signals that indicate when it's time to sleep. However, certain factors can disrupt this rhythm, such as shift work, staying up all night, jet lag, and/or traveling across time zones. The good news is that you can take steps to improve your sleep habits and reset your internal clock. In this video, we are going to learn 12 ways that will help you get back to a restful night's sleep. Tip number 1 is to get right with the light. A great way to improve your sleep routine is by managing your exposure to light. When you're in bright light, your brain reduces the production of melatonin, the hormone that helps you sleep. This makes you feel more awake and alert. On the other hand, being in darkness signals your brain to produce more melatonin, making you feel sleepy. In the morning, get some exposure to light to help wake up. Open the curtains, take a short walk, or relax on the porch. At night, prepare your body for sleep by turning off or dimming bright lights. Also, avoid using electronic screens from devices like computers, smartphones, or TVs, as they can keep your brain stimulated for several hours. Tip number 2 is to practice relaxation. Setting aside time for relaxation can improve your sleep. When you're feeling stressed or anxious, your body produces more cortisol, which is the stress hormone. The increased cortisol levels can make you feel more alert and hinder your ability to sleep well. To combat this, establish a calming bedtime routine to reduce stress and its impact on your sleep quality. Engage in activities like stretching, meditation, deep breathing, journaling, and enjoying caffeine-free tea. These practices can help create a serene environment and promote better sleep. Tip number 3 is to skip naps. If your sleep routine is messed up, try not to take naps during the day. Napping can make it harder to fall asleep at night. Taking long naps can also make you feel groggy because you wake up from deep sleep. If you really need to nap, keep it short. Less than 30 minutes is ideal. Try to nap before 3 p.m. so it doesn't mess up your nighttime sleep. Tip number 4 is to get daily exercise. To reset your internal clock and improve your sleep, regular exercise is key. Your body's tissues, including muscles, are connected to your biological clock. When you engage in physical activity, your muscles respond by aligning with your natural daily rhythm. Exercise also helps enhance your sleep by boosting the production of melatonin, a sleep-inducing hormone. Even just 30 minutes of moderate aerobic exercise can lead to better sleep quality on the same night. For optimal results, make exercise a regular part of your routine, aiming for at least 30 minutes of moderate aerobic activity at least 5 times a week. Keep in mind that exercising in the evening might be too stimulating for your body, potentially affecting your sleep. If you prefer nighttime workouts, try to finish at least 1 to 2 hours before bedtime. Tip number 5 is to avoid noise. A quiet place is essential for a good night's sleep because even when you're asleep, your brain still processes sounds. Noisy distractions can make it hard to fall or stay asleep. To reduce noise, keep your TV out of the bedroom and turn it off before bedtime. Put your cell phone on silent mode or turn it off. If you live in a loud area, using white noise can help you sleep better. White noise is a calming, constant sound that covers up other noises in your surroundings. You can make white noise with a fan, air conditioner, humidifier, air purifier, or a dedicated white noise machine. Alternatively, you can wear earplugs to block out external sounds. Tip number 6 is to keep it cool. Right before you go to bed, your body naturally cools down to get ready for sleep. To make sure you have a good night's sleep, it's recommended to keep your bedroom temperature cool, ideally between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit, which is equivalent to 15 to 19 degrees Celsius. A study from 2012 by the National Institutes of Health found that the room temperature where you sleep is crucial for getting high-quality sleep. Make sure your room isn't too cold, below 54 degrees Fahrenheit or 12 degrees Celsius, or too warm, above 75 degrees Fahrenheit or 24 degrees Celsius, to avoid disturbances in your sleep. Adjust your thermostat accordingly. In warmer weather, you can use an air conditioner or fan, while in colder weather, a space heater can help. These not only control the temperature, but also provide the bonus of creating white noise, which can aid in better sleep. Tip number 7 is to be comfortable. A cozy bed provides the ideal setting for a restful night's sleep. If your mattress and pillows are old, they might lead to discomfort and pain, affecting the quality of your sleep. Experts recommend changing your mattress every 10 years and your pillows every 2 years for better sleep. Consider getting a new mattress or pillow if you wake up feeling stiff or find it more comfortable to sleep elsewhere. You can choose the firmness of your mattress and pillows based on your preference. However, if your mattress sags or your pillows are lumpy, it's a sign that it's time to replace them for a better sleep experience. Tip number 8 is to eat early. Your body's internal clock, known as the circadian rhythm, is influenced by when and what you eat. Having a late dinner can interfere with your sleep schedule, so aim to finish your last meal 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. This allows your body enough time to properly digest the food. Establishing a consistent dinner time each day helps regulate your body's internal clock, promoting a more predictable routine. Be mindful of your food choices as well. Heavy, high-fat meals take longer to digest and may disrupt your sleep. If you're hungry before bedtime, opt for a light snack that combines carbohydrates and protein like wheat toast with almond butter. Steer clear of caffeinated beverages such as coffee, tea, or energy drinks, especially in the afternoon. Caffeine is a stimulant that takes several hours to wear off and can affect your ability to fall asleep. Avoid consuming alcohol before bedtime. While it might make you feel drowsy initially, alcohol actually interferes with your circadian rhythm, making it challenging to achieve restful sleep. Tip number 9 is to keep it regular. To improve your sleep routine, start by setting a consistent schedule. Pick a time to go to bed and another for waking up, and stick to these times every day, including weekends and days off. Avoid staying up or sleeping in for more than 1 to 2 hours beyond your set schedule. By maintaining a regular sleep routine, your internal clock can establish a new pattern. Eventually, you'll find it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Tip number 10 is to try fasting. When you eat and your body processes the food, it triggers your internal clock to recognize that you're awake. This is because metabolism and circadian rhythm are closely connected. On the flip side, when you fast, it's like putting your body on a standby mode to allow it to repair itself. Fasting is a natural part of the sleep process. Consider avoiding food right before bedtime. Since fasting naturally occurs during sleep, it might help you fall asleep more easily. Additionally, your body keeps burning calories while you're asleep. If you fast before bedtime, you might feel hungry in the morning, encouraging you to wake up early and gradually return to a regular sleep routine. However, keep in mind that going to bed on an empty stomach may make it difficult for you to fall asleep. Fasting can be beneficial if you're not already feeling hungry. Tip number 11 is to consider melatonin. As mentioned before, melatonin is a hormone that helps control your sleep pattern. Your brain's pineal gland typically produces melatonin, but you can also take it as a supplement. Many people use it to relax and improve sleep, especially when dealing with jet lag or insomnia. Using melatonin in the right amount is generally safe, but it's crucial to follow the instructions carefully. There might be some side effects, such as feeling drowsy, experiencing headaches, feeling nauseous, and/or dizziness. If you're on other medications or have health issues, it's wise to consult your doctor before using melatonin. Tip number 12 is to talk with your doctor. It's common to experience occasional difficulty sleeping. Often, making simple changes to your habits can help get your sleep back on track. However, if sleep problems continue, it's advisable to see your doctor. There's a possibility that you may have an unrecognized sleep disorder. In such cases, consulting a sleep specialist can help you receive the appropriate treatment. So, the bottom line, irregular work hours, staying up all night, or dealing with time zone changes can disrupt your sleep routine. But don't worry, adopting good sleep habits can help you get back to a healthy sleep pattern. Before bedtime, steer clear of bright lights and heavy meals. Create a cozy, quiet, and cool sleeping space. Stay active during the day, and resist the urge to take naps so that you can enjoy more restful sleep at night. If these tips don't improve your sleep, it's a good idea to consult with your doctor for further guidance.
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Watch more videos by clicking on the video here.